Hello, in this video we'll see the alphabet V. Okay, so let's start. This is V, 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 Va, V, V, Vo. Good. So let me show you how we write them. So I will do, the first one is V. Let me do 7 of those, okay? Okay. So in the previous video, we've seen be, bu, bi, ba, be, bi, bo. So if you look at it, it's the same except that we are adding this line at the top to be to make it ve. Besides that, let's see the trailing alphabets for this. For example, this is ve. If I add this, it becomes vu. This is ve. If I do this, it turns to be v. This is ve. If I add this long line, it reads va. Same here, ve. Here, v. And this one, vo. So vo is, this is longer, okay? This one. All right. So this is what? Vu. This is v. This is va. Same like this. Ve. V. Vo. So like I said, if we try to compare it with be, bu, bi, ba, be, bi, bo, bi, bo. This is a thing that we covered in the previous video, right? So on top of it, add this line to make it ve, vu, vi, va, ve, vi, vo. That's it. Very easy, right? So I hope you learned something out of this. Thank you.